Hello friends. Today we take you on a road trip from Patna to Motihari and back. हमने सुबह 5:19 पे अपना सफर शुरू किया. On this one day journey we crossed JP Setu, Bela and Gopalganj before reaching Ariraj, a place with deep Buddhist and Savaite connections. From the ancient stupa and Asokan pillar to the birthplace of George Orwell, our trip covered history, spirituality and literature. So let's begin. Our journey began by crossing the JP Setu, also known as the Digha Sonpur Bridge. This modern engineering marvel over the river Ganga connects South and North Bihar. सुबह की ठंडी हवा और नदी का नजारा एकदम सफर का मूड बना देता है. As we crossed Bela, we entered an area that holds both cultural and historical significance. Bela is known for its connection to ancient Vaisali and the surrounding regions that were once centers of trades and learning. Today, Bela is more of a bustling transit town, full of roadside markets, dhawa, and daily life activities. यहाँ के बाजार और छोटी दुकानों एक टिपिकल बिहारी शहर की रूह दिखाती है. The flavors of local food, the hustle of the small traders, and the hospitality of people make Bela a lively stop on the way to North Bihar. In many ways, Bela acts as a gateway between Patna and Gopalganj, connecting travelers to the deeper heritage of Champaran. Driving further, we entered Gopalganj, a land known for its fertile fields, rivers, and vibrant rural culture. Agriculture is the backbone here, with sugarcane, wheat, paddy fields stretching across the horizon. यहाँ की सबसे बड़ी पहचान है कम्युनिटी लाइफ, गांवों का चौपाल, हाट बाजार और लोगों की मुस्कान. गोपालगंज का इतिहास भी चंपारण से रीजन से जुड़ा हुआ है, जो महात्मा गांधी के चंपारण सत्याग्रह का ही एक हिस्सा था. Today it is a mix of tradition and modernity, highways bustling with trucks and buses, while at the same time villages where life still moves at its own calm rhythmic pace. Passing through Gopalganj, you get a glimpse of how rural Bihar sustains itself, strong, connected and full of life. Our first major stop was the Ariraj Stupa, one of the most significant Buddhist sites in North Bihar. Archaeologists believe that this giant stupa was built during the Mauryan period under the patronage of Emperor Asoka in the 3rd century BC. Once upon a time, it is said to have been a massive brick structure, almost like a mini mountain where Buddhist relics and sacred remains were enshrined. यहाँ के अवशेष की बात के गवाह है. यह एक बड़े बौद्ध विहार और स्तूपा का हिस्सा रहा होगा. In ancient days, such stupas were not only religious monuments, but also centers of community life where monks meditated, travelers rested, and people gathered to hear teachings of Buddha. Imagine the scene monks in the ochre robes, the sound of chanting and the pilgrims circling the stupa in prayer. Now today only the remains and the mounds are visible. Standing here fills you with a sense of peace. Ariras remind us of how deeply Buddhism flourished in Bihar, spreading its message of compassion and non-violence across Asia. यह जगह एक साइलेंट स्टोरी टेलर जो हमें मौर्य समाज और अशोका के समय की याद दिलाती है। For any traveler, Ariras Stupa is not just a historic ruin, but a spiritual landmark, echoing the timeless message of the Buddha. Just nearby is the Somnath Shiv Temple, an important religious spot. Devotees come here from far and wide, especially during Sawan, to offer Jal Abhishek to Lord Shiva. मंदिर की घंटाओं की धुन, भक्तों की श्रद्धा, it instantly fills the atmosphere with devotion. Our next stop was the Lordya Nandangarh Asoka Pillar, one of the best preserved monuments from Emperor Asoka's reign. Standing tall at more than 30 feet, this polished sandstone pillar has survived over 2000 years, a true architectural wonder of the modern era. Historians believe that this pillar was one among a series of pillars erected by Asoka across his empire. यह स्तंभ उनके शासन की स्टोन एडिक्स थे, जहां उन्होंने अपने संदेश लोगों तक पहुंचाए. मैसेज ऑफ पीस, हार्मोनी एंड रेस्पेक्ट फॉर ऑल लिविंग बीइंग्स. Heart of the Motihari lies the Collectoriate building. One of the most fascinating stops of this trip was the birthplace of George Orwell. Born here in 1903 as Eric Arthur Blair, Orwell grew up to become one of the greatest writers of the 20th century. His works like Animal Farm and 1984 are timeless classics that shaped political and literary throughout across the world. सोचिए एक छोटे से टाउन मोतिहारी की दुनिया कि इतने बड़े लेखक का जन्म हुआ. Standing here at its birthplace, you feel a deep connection, not just with literature, but with the ideas that inspiration can rise from the most unexpected corners of the world. After a fulfilling day, we began our return via Muzaffarpur. On the way, we crossed a toll plaza for around rupees 190. With memories of history, culture, spirituality, and literature, we made our way back to Patna. This was our one-day trip to from Patna to Motihari and back, covering Buddhist heritage, Shiv Bhakti, Ashokan history, and even world literature through George Orwell. If you enjoyed this journey, दोस्तों, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. मिलते हैं अगले सफर में.